Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now you need to click on this plus icon next to Search Passwords to add a new one. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. So to make them visible, click on this gear next to Password Manager. Tap on blue sweater next to Offer to save passwords. Log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. So when you're ready, you can finally click on this plus icon next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!